Good morning, everybody, and happy, Friday. Oh my goodness, it's actually Friday. If you're here with me in the YouTube chat or in the Discord, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have WD Darren, Retberg, Magic Mel. Good morning to you. Brian, Luna, Charisse. Good morning. Sunrise Driver, JP, Master Herman, Ripper Trader to Beast, Will, Travis, Billy, Danny HD. Good morning. How you doing there, Big Kahuna, Diana, Strictly Trade Biz, Mike, Trader Page. Good morning, G-Lines. Good morning. Big G woke up to great news past the combine last night. There you go. It's always the best emails to get. Oh, look at that. Once again, stream starts and the market is already in motion. Definitely going to miss this trade here. I feel like, Goldman market makers have definitely gotten keen to when the Market Clubhouse YouTube live stream starts, and they just start the move like right when we're getting ready to go live, as you do. There we go. We have no trades on, nothing happening. You can always see if I have a trade on or if I've taken a trade right up here above my head. Right there you can see it says flat, entry is blank. If I was to take a trade, you'd see the number of contracts I have where it says flat. Red means I'm short, green means I'm long. Entry is going to show you what my average entry is. And total net profit, obviously, sitting here at 0. And then P&L right above me, you're going to see the active P&L for the trade that I actually have on. But look at the charts here. We have had a beautiful rollover in the Globex session here. We had these little bit of the highs taken out, and then we dropped low to this area that we were drawing on the market this week. So if you missed the stream, you can go back and watch the archive that we had. But really, really nice, tremendous roll off there in right around 3 a.m. Eastern time. Did anybody catch anything to the short side? I know we are bouncing up here pre-NFP. Did anybody catch the pop up or anything similar to that, or the flush down or anything? I mean, I haven't traded at all. I got very minimal sleep last night, but no trades so far this morning. Bank of America needed some money this morning. Trips from stops pre-market. Uh-oh. Look out. Bank of America in the building here. Aaron, which way did you catch it? Did you take it long or short? I feel like maybe we should start streaming at, I don't know if I'd be able to be up for it, but what time would that be? I don't know. Maybe we start streaming at 7:30 instead of 8 a.m. It's just crazy how all of these moves have just basically started right before we're jumping on the stream there. 7:45, yeah, maybe. Yeah, these moves have been really, really nice right before we jump on the stream. I feel like now we just have to wait. Like, I feel like we missed the whole move in motion. I mean, think about that. So we came on. We're trying to get live right around like 8. Let's just say we go 5 minutes back. We're talking about from 773 to now 806. So 30 handles of upside there and still running. That's like Dakota's GC short that happened right when he started. Yeah, I mean, that's just how it goes. It's like top of the hour, bottom of the hour. That really happens like that. Short of the pullback off the dump on ES. Ended up break even. Long ES now at 55.81. Nice. There you go. Get my walk in at 7:30, but I have to keep myself from trading while I walk. Yeah, I don't even bother looking. So, because, as you know, I'm writing the morning memo. So that takes up the majority of my morning is writing the memo that goes out to all of the, let me see where that actually is going out to. I got to check and see. I'm actually curious. Where is this being published to? Let's see. It goes to a lot of different places here. Let me see if it's on TD Ameritrade yesterday. Or Schwab. I guess it's Schwab now. I am curious. Took a long around 18,756, up 460 across 3 accounts. There you go. You have any plans to trade more than 3 accounts? You ever think about trading the 5 accounts that you can trade here on Top Step? Since NVIDIA and Tesla decoupled, it's been nuts. I think it's more so that we're in a roll week. Or not roll week, but roll month. We're going to be rolling contracts. I don't think it really has anything to do with NVIDIA and Tesla. Tesla has really had very little effect on the NQ or the S&P for a very long time. So I think it's more so just the roll week. It's causing this difficult market. It's been very difficult. Yesterday we did well. We ended up trading in Market Clubhouse after we finished here. What did we post on profits here in the stream? Like 12.5, and then we continued trading. We almost made 30K total yesterday, so it was good. 26 or 27K yesterday. Morning, Will. How you doing? I threw an indicator together for anyone who wants to use it. Nice. There you go. Yeah, people have been asking about that. Any discounts coming on Top Step? Well, I have one better. I'll give you some free accounts if you stick around, and all you have to do is just smack the like button. That's it. Get free stuff. You don't even have to use a discount. You can actually just get a free Top Step combine. Simple as that. Amazing, right? Traders buying NVIDIA are going to get destroyed. Smart money is dumping. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Everybody's thinking that too when before they had their earnings, you know. It's going to dump. It's going to go lower. MP replied to my tweet yesterday, said some discounts are coming in October. Okay, good to know. Yeah, I mean, we haven't had any discounts on Top Step as traders. We haven't had any discounts that we could use on Top Step for a very long time. So I'd assume that they are going to have some discounts soon here. So cool. That's great that he mentioned that. Something to look forward to there. So let me just get this all set up here on my screen in case we do end up taking a trade. Anybody still on that long? We came right up to VWAP, touched it, and then now rejecting back down here. People in chat were pissed they didn't get a birthday present. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy that people... Top Step TV chat is something else. Pretty funny. What happened to Top Step website last night? What can you give me a little hint? What happened to Top Step's website last night because X, Y, and Z? I have no idea. Never experienced anything wrong on my end, so yeah, give me a hint. I don't know what you're talking about. Dakota had a great show last night. Looking forward to his takeover of Top Step TV. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I might be a guest when he's doing the takeover. We'll have to see. It was down? Oh. Had to firm the drawdown, just got out break even. There you go. Yeah, we're coming right back down. I feel like we're going to chop a lot before NFP. If you didn't know, we do have NFP coming out in 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes here. And that's going to be released alongside the payroll, the average hourly earnings. So it's all payroll data that's coming out. We've had a lot of data come out this week already. We had the JOLTS. So we'll have to see whether or not that moves things. And then 15 minutes after that data comes out, we have John Williams who's speaking, who should definitely comment on monetary policy. So, and then at 11 a.m. we get Chris Waller. So, Rips, you know if Top Step is going to add an option to copy trade two different accounts, like copy trade 550K and 150K? You can only trade, well, if you're trading combines, I mean, different, but you can create trade copy groups in Top Step X, no? Can you not you can't do that? I don't know. You can do it on Ninja Trader. You can do it on Quantower. So I'm not sure. Tradeovate as well. When Dakota takes over, will he be allowed to trade without getting check marks? Possibly. You never know. He might have to poll himself. Oh, they have to be the same size account. That makes sense. Since they stopped handing out free resets, I'm protecting my capital much better. Sucks to not have backup, but forces you to trade better. Yeah, I mean, we should never really be trading with the idea that we're going to reset an account. We should be trading it how we're exactly going to trade the XFA. That's usually how you want to go into this. And I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult to do that, but that's the easiest way that you're going to be able to transition from your combines to your XFAs is by trading your combines exactly how you want to trade on your XFAs. That's how I would be looking at it personally. With Replicanto, do you make your trades directly within that or inside your trading app still? So Replicanto is just a software that's built on top of Ninja Trader. So I just trade regularly and Replicanto works in the background, does everything I need it to do. So Replicanto works with Ninja Trader and Tradeovate. You can copy trade different size accounts in Tops of X. Your leader account must be the smallest one. I'm doing it now. Thank you, Shaw. Appreciate that. Got 4 XFAs this week. Would I be chasing if I went for the 5th? No. I always trade 5 XFAs. That's the move. Quintuple your leverage. Quadruple. Quintuple your leverage. That's how you get it done. Thoughts on minis versus micros? I always think that you should be trading on micros. If you have to ask that question, absolutely be trading on micros. I trade on the minis myself, but I have done this a couple times. Banked rebill reset should be coming in October. So that's not even live yet. Interesting. Are they still doing the rebate then to your credit card? What is your live account size? 150K. Do you get tired of streaming every day? It's part of my routine. So, I mean, not really, no. It's just part of my routine now. Every single day, show up every single day. So if you can copy all that, then you should be fine. Oh, you can only do one group on Tops of X. What's up, Atul? Good to see you, buddy. How do you get a free reset? I don't give out free resets. I give out free combines. Why would you want a free reset when you could have a brand new, fresh, free combine? So we think NQ going to come down and bounce up or flush down all day. Well, if I knew that, I'd be a trillionaire, but I think that we have to wait for the data that's coming out in 15 minutes here. A little late to the party, but I'm up $500 on my funded and I'm locked out, so I'm going to work. That's a nice move right there. Rips, you add to losers or winners more often. It's not like that. I'm sure if I pulled my data, there's an answer for that, but it's contextual based on the trade that I'm in. If I'm like down on a trade, but the trade idea was looking for a dip, and technically at that moment in the trade I'm down, I'm not adding to it because I'm down on the trade. And the same function, like if I'm green on a trade, just because the trade's green, I'm not just blindly adding to it. It's all contextual. It's based on the trade that I'm taking in that moment. When are you going to stream your poker playing? Well, I mean, I can't I can't stream the table, but I plan on playing in December for the WPT Win Cash Game stream. I've talked to the people who organize that, and that's almost positively that I'm going to be doing that. So there's no good poker streams in Las Vegas. There's like, what is it, celebrity poker something rather, where they had a bunch of like YouTube people on, but I mean, that's like, I would never want to do that, but you know, they have the bigger cash game WPT Win stream this winter, so probably be doing that. Rips, trading is simple but not easy at all. Everything is about emotions, as you said yesterday. Yeah, 100%. There's well, once you figure out your setups, you have to deal with the emotions of holding on good trades and getting out of bad trades when you know that you should. So, Rips, how about a second book maps webinar? Yeah, definitely. Plan on doing that. Plan on doing a whole series with the bookmap team themselves. The Tops of X would allow a trailing stop as soon as you set the order like Ninja Trader. It does. I don't know about trailing though, but it does allow you to do bracket orders essentially there. Have you ever played against Doug Poke or Danny Negreanu? Doug Poke, yes. Danny, no. No D-Negs, yes to Poke. To use the bookmap volume plots instead of a green-red price volume chart. I mean, I use what you're looking at right above me. I'm not sure I understand the question. With the removal of the DLL, what's the personal daily loss limit you are setting for 150Ks? I don't have it removed because I only trade on Ninja Trader right now, so I don't have it removed. It's only for Tops of X that it's removed. So I do not have. I don't have a way to remove. I mean, I don't think I do. I think I have my daily loss limit. I don't think it's removed on Ninja Trader. What software do you use to record your trades? obsproject.com. Here, let me drop a link. This is what you should be using. Very lightweight. Super simple. It's a great way to record your screen. It's lightweight files. You can set all the settings. Just do like some test recordings. Make sure you can see all the numbers and everything that you're trying to see on your screen. It's great. Open source. Very, very good. What's your DL on live account? I have it set to $3,000 right now. That one you can actually change, and you could change that before you were allowed to change the Tops of X account. So mine's set to $3,000 on my live account. Multiple screens? Yeah, you can record multiple screens with obsproject.com. How do you use the liquidity bands on Bookmap? It's just going to tell you where the orders are stacked. I mean, that's going to tell you, and again, it's contextual. There's liquidity bands that travel with the price that are just algorithmic. But if there's a sharp movement, you can see whether or not they stick around or they vanish. There's a lot of different ways that you could be looking at the liquidity bands in Bookmap, but it's very contextual. Bracket orders, but not with trailing stop included. That would be nice. So you have to set it manually after canceling the original stop loss. Interesting. But trailing stops do work on Tops of X. Got my two 150K and 250K XFAs this week. Going to take it light today. Only trade combine today. Thanks for everything. Nice there, JC. That's sick. Can you change daily loss limit several times on XFAs, or is it just one time only and you stuck with it forever? I think you change it. If it's on Tops of X, I'm pretty sure you can change it at any moment. You trade it, change it while you're in a trade. I'm pretty sure. If I'm wrong on that, then I'd be shocked. I think you can change it or do it whenever you want. So. How come my trading view and Tops of charts are way different? Maybe because you had too much Chipotle. If you're having trading view and Top Step charts, maybe you want to increase your fiber intake. That's what I would say. I've never actually had the trading view charts. I've had, I don't know where I'm going with this, but your charts, if they're different, I mean, they're two different platforms, so. I hate having trading charts. Oh, Lord. Ever play an EPT? No. I did see that it's on right now. I'm not a huge fan of tournaments. I prefer cash games. Instant gratification. I lost a doozy of a hand last night. It's almost unbelievable. I lost aces all in pre-flop to ace king. Ran it one time. I don't know what I'm doing running that one time. I should have ran that 60 times until the deck was dry. Lost that hand somehow. Offsuit too. Ace king offsuit versus aces. Lovely. I told somebody about that this morning. They're like, let me guess, 2 kings on the flop and turn or river or whatever. I said, nope. Flop 10 queen, turn jack. I was looking at the dealer like, okay. I guess that's how we do that. That gave me the poker charts. Huge pot too. So oh well. Yeah, I think I have a 7% chance of losing that hand. No, I mean it was all in pre-flop. 10 queen flop. Turn jack. Yay. At least it wasn't on the river. I mean, at least it got it out of the way. Like by the turn, I was just like gutted. Like, oh well. Anyway, what does that mean? Running it one time, I get that. But how do you have the ability to run it more than once? We play a private game of the win. One of the folks who watches the stream actually came and played. I think they won 10 or 20,000 yesterday. It was pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that's variance in poker. You run that 1,000 times, you're going to lose 70 times. Run it 10,000 times, you're going to lose it 700 times. You know, it's just variance. NFP is coming out in 8 minutes, Lucas. NFP. A trader came and played? Yep. Somebody who's actually a really talented large cap trader who I've actually been chatting with on Twitter for a couple of years now. What's the buy in those games? Minimum is 5K. I bought in for 125K yesterday, but minimum is 5K. Up or down? I'm going to say we're going to go to the right. Are they in here? Yes, actually they are. I don't think they're an active chatter though. Let me see what their username is in Discord here. Now I have to find them. What is it? It is... Let me see if they've ever actually said anything. They have They chatted one time back in 2023. No, twice. They chatted twice. Once in June of 2023 and once in September of 2023. Not a very active user, but they're in here. Ribs, which levels do you see in the NQ as good strength? I mean, this one that we rejected off of 725 is showing some good strength, but we could go down much lower here. So I want to wait for NFP before I make a reaction. Good cover, Darren. Is you? No, it wasn't Darren. No, this person is like, they're a very successful day trader. They make, I mean, their P&Ls are like 7 grand, 10 grand daily. Tell that MF to drop some wisdom. They're probably asleep right now. They're on vacation. They're here till Sunday. They texted me on Twitter and they're like, yo, I'm here in your town. I want to come play. So we made a seat for them. They bought in for like 5 or 10 and then they cashed out like 20, 30. So pretty sick. They're a good player. They've been playing poker for a long time. Good player. Do they trade on top stuff? No, they actually trade large caps independently, their own money. And that's how we knew each other, because we used to trade large caps and small caps together there. So a big gap right underneath. Yeah, so if we break 725, I mean, let's look at the chart here. Let's go to like the weekly and see where this thing goes down to. We got a couple different areas. Let me put on the magnet here. Get this thing popping. There. And then I want to do this here. Whoops. Get this thing right there. Cool. And then I guess we could do one big strong level down here. There. That seems fair. And then we could do this one as well. There we go. Cool. Go back to our 15-minute. So, I mean, that was quite the gap there. And it's very interesting to see that we could see that thing failing that hard. One lot ES long, 1K risk for 5K profit. There you go, MASH. My sister does live down there. We will be coming as a family in January. Expect a visit risk. Nice. Yeah, let's play some cards or just have a nice soda water. KM says, keep getting close. Can't figure out the last couple grand mentally. Something doesn't click. The last leg of it. 2 weeks seems great. Yeah, if you take a break or if you just trade a new account, that usually solves the issue, at least in my experience. If you're always focused on the number, it's going to get in the way of your mental. You get smoked. Speaking of smoked, did anybody get smoked short side on that? That was quite the fake out to the short side. I thought for sure we'd probably run back down a little bit lower, but thankfully I didn't take a trade there. Hey, Rip's looking crisp. Ooh, I like that. Are we looking crispy today? Crisp. I like that word. Closer to an extreme low than high for today in ES. 5460 equals 38% retrace. 30 to 33 yesterday. Pivotal area. Yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised that we are trading where we are. Have to see what happens on NFP though. When trying to go long, I just want to wait for this data. It's coming out in 3.5 minutes here. Last few grand is tough. Been blown a few times the last few grand. I changed to other combine as a leader, so I don't look at that. Yeah, see, that's the trick right there. If you change to another combine, you just don't really care. Like whenever I'm trading combines, I'm trying my best to not look at the P&L as far as like how close I am to passing. I will often pass combines like 160K, 161K, like way over. And it's rarely ever am I passing in 2 days. Like rarely. Like if it's like a banger day back to back. Thing is like yesterday, I could have opened up some more combines and just added some more to the bench, but I didn't. Like after I was done trading up for the day, I could have traded more combines. I just didn't. So, I mean, like if that's your MO on like a really strong day. Look at the order book, by the way. It's completely cleared out here. Wow. This is going to be a monster. Let me see if I can switch over to... I don't know. What do I want to trade on this? I'll just stick to combines. I'm pretty exhausted today. I'm not going to lie. Pretty tired. So I don't know if it's the right idea for me to trade funded, especially on a print. I'm going to try to trade small size on combines here. I'm going to try. We'll see. Are we bullish for news? No, I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I literally have no idea which way we're going to go on this news print. It can go either way, especially since we have... Williams, who's speaking at like 15 minutes after that. Let's see what the expectations are. Non-farm, we're expecting 165 jobs being added. So 165,000. So let's see how this shakes out here. I think it's going to be a huge reaction. I really do. I think this is going to be a monster print. Like, because the order book is so empty right now, I think this is going to be a monster print. For good luck on this print, if you're going to trade it, make sure you smash the like button. I have no trades on. I have no positions on. I'm just going to wait. 90 seconds, everybody. 90 seconds. Stream Deck is going in my lap just in case. But I did like 30, 60 tick stop on this. You're going to get wicked out almost immediately. So just going to wait. Be patient. Yeah, where's Charles? We need his call. He knew. Could do one micro to see. Yeah, sure, you could. I'm just going to wait. I expect a monster reaction, like 100 plus points. Easily. You sound selfish right now. I'm not feeling like trading. We're talking about trading. Traders trade, baby. What? Selfish? Okay. What a weird thing to say. Yeah, man, I'm selfish because I don't want to trade. Yeah, my bad, dude. You're not going to trade. You're selfish. What are you talking about? Nah, just leave them. I mean, I'm sure that English is not their first language. There's no way. Yo. What'd I say? Jesus. Thank goodness I didn't trade. Even Ripspot goes, wow. Ripspot, are you trading this? Ripspot said, wow. Are you trading this, Ripspot? I don't know if Ripspot is a trader or not. I would assume, like, you know, if you want to be a mod for a trading stream, maybe you start trading. Maybe Ripspot had a trade on, I bet. Hey, Ripspot, did you get smoked? It's funny. Oh my God. That is nuts. Oh, hopefully everybody stayed safe. Backs got blown out. Yeah. Oh my God. And right back down. Oh my God. Oh, thank God I didn't trade this. That's crazy, that move. Oh my God. So look at the, I mean, I have the chart up. Look at the liquidity band. Look at that. Almost perfect to the kiss right there of 928. Yo, I got to change it to 30 seconds. Oh my good God. Holy crap. What is the 720 to 919? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. I said 100 handles. It was 200 handles. What the frick was that? Jeez Louise. Oh, did anybody make profit on that? Sorry, what was the number? I'm just like in shock right now. So it was 142,000, way less than 165. Not that it actually matters because the market was going to do whatever the heck it was going to do regardless. That's why I was like, oh yeah, 60 tick stop. That's probably going to get taken out. Yeah, no kidding. Crazy. That's nuts. Made 211. Nice, Tech Maestro. That's nuts. That was insane. Well, I guess we could say there's somewhat of a rejection, but I don't know if do I really want to get my hands dirty in this one? You know what? I'm going to be selfish, and I'm just going to observe instead of trading for now. I'm going to be selfish. Made $300. Nice. For those that stayed out and seen that, try to not feel like I could have caught that. Yeah, no kidding. Like I'm so happy I didn't trade that. Like even if it's like, well, I was looking for a long and I had an entry at 720. Like, dude, no. As a quick 1407 profit. And by the way, if you made money on that print, don't let anybody tell you like, oh, you're gambling. You're doing like, do whatever. Like, screw those people. Do your thing. Chase that paper, boo-boo. Get your money up, you know? Like, do your thing. Don't let anybody stray you from what's working. Like, if you have a strategy on that print, you made money, do your thing. Exit 838.5. Wow, nice. What was your long? Oh, you had 732. Sick. Nice. I'm just effing with you, bro. You were talking about playing poker and tired. Not everything in chat should be so serious. Dude, your quality is just going down here, buddy. What a slate in both directions. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. This is still very difficult to trade. I mean, we're fading like 60s to 20s, like 40 handle whips. I thought maybe we'd continue down, but I got to wait for this to clean up. I'm going to be selfish here. Down 3K and then waited and got out of the trade at 400 and an idiot. I'm an idiot regarding. No, you're not. Go to micros. No, I'm not going to trade just to trade. I want to wait. I want to wait until we actually get a high probabilistic chance here, or better than what it's at right now. Hey, on practice, it's better than no trading, right? Missed my buy entry on the bottom at 2 ticks. Buy 2 ticks. Gotcha. Ribs, you're rolling through XFAs regularly. How you manage the scaling rule in the beginning? I don't roll through them regularly. I mean, I try to hold on my XFAs. I'm not like, I don't have a bunch of combines so I can blow XFAs. That's not my strategy. Although there's some people that have that strategy. Like there's some people that get the strategy that just like try to get to max loss as soon as possible and go for it. Like you see them on the leaderboard and then they're gone, right? That's not my strategy. I mean, I take things pretty slow. Yesterday I was trading like what, 6 contracts or whatever it was, 5 contracts. Not even like I can trade 15. I'm not, which is 75. I think one time 2 weeks ago or a week ago, I traded full size. No, I traded 60 contracts across the board. So what is that? Like, yeah, 12 contracts per account. That was the biggest I think I've ever traded in my XFAs, at least with copying 5. I wish NQ was like this for 1 hour every day. No kidding. I'd be a trillionaire if we had this much volatility every single day. But I mean, this is what we think about. If you can just wait for these types of situations, the problem is that I don't have an advantage of trading that. I mean, I can try to get lucky, but I'm not going to, and the thing is like combines, it cost me $750 for a pack of combines, right? That's still $750. It's real money, right? That's real money. I have to pay that. I don't get a discount. I don't get any freebies. Like I pay for all my combines. So even if I wanted to gamble, like I still have to say like I'm risking $750 on that print. I don't want to risk $750 on that print. I just want to kind of wait for that print to happen and see if there's a follow-up trade, you know? This is hard even in micros, 20 points in 1 second. Yeah, this is not easy. We are trending up, but I want to see what happens if we go sweep towards these highs. We have continuation. We have a lot of green across the board right now, but it's coming back down. Was that good news or bad? Well, I mean, it's less payrolls being added. That means less people in work. Should mean the economy could cool on that. Less people in work means less money in the economy, means less credit available, means that inflation should trend down, which is the Fed's goal. But everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people out there think that these numbers are total crap, right? $18,900. It's good news till it's bad news. Yeah, there you go. TP is at 20,000 moon or dust. Yeah, I mean, 20,000 is kind of lofty, but maybe if you're holding it overnight. You know, maybe we'll have the revisions come out and say, yeah, we were completely wrong about it. Aaron's going short here. Yeah, I mean, we came back up to that level, but again, it's just so unpredictable here. Very, very difficult. Very, very unpredictable. Very, very difficult. Need to do this in XFAs. I mean, the thing is though, like on XFAs, it's real money, so it's like it's way harder to trade it, in my opinion. It's very easy to trade a practice account because in the back of your mind, you know that there's no effect. Like getting XFAs is not easy. Let's be real, right? There's no like easy path to getting XFAs. Like either you're going to spend a lot of money gambling to get them, or you have to trade really, really well. Like I said earlier at the top of the stream, like it's extremely rare that I'm ever getting XFAs in 2 days. I'm rarely ever passing combines in 2 days. It has to be back-to-back banger days in the market, and I have to be like sliding in that pocket. It's so hard. Like it is so hard to get XFAs. You can spend a lot of money and gamble and get XFAs easily, but like what's your cost, you know? At that point, you might as well put real money in a brokerage account if you're just like that loose with your cash, you know? So I like to take my time when I'm passing combines. I don't really, like, there's times that you see me here where I'm like going full bore, but like it's a pretty rare thing. I'm usually trading, you know, pretty close to how I trade on my XFAs. Sick move though. It gave you 2 opportunities for the long. Look at this. We had a return all the way back up to the topping end of this area. It's 793 to 910. This is insane. Imagine if you got both moves on a funded account. I always like to think about that. Like, what's the best case scenario? Well, somehow you hammered in long at the right minute and your XFAs are live funded, and then you closed at the top. It came back down. Maybe you shorted back down and you rode it back up top. You know, maybe there's somewhere out there. Am I in a combine right now? I have 0 trades on. See right there? It says flat. 0 trades on right now. 0, as in nunskis. Like nada enchiladas, baby. Look, he's lying. You've been taking trades. He's hiding them. No, look, literally nothing. Nothing's been traded. Sorry, don't know what to tell you. I wish I had trade. I don't know. I don't have any trades on. I haven't traded. That's why it says right here, total profit $0. I haven't traded. Don't know what to tell you. Well, you want me to make up a story? I traded, but you know. You took no trades today so far? That is exactly what I'm saying, believe it or not. Woo, it's Friday. Yeehaw. We are coming back down a little bit here. I know it's so selfish. What am I doing? It's so selfish. Getting stopped on both moves but being right is more the reality. Yes, exactly. See, Luna, you might have been trading for a couple minutes here. You might know what you're talking about here. It's so true. Like, I'd rather miss the move than being correct on the idea. Like, you know, and we've done this on stream before where we set up like a bracket order. And, you know, we did it kind of for funsies. I don't think that we did it like once on a funded account and it worked. But then after that, I think we only did it on combines. But yeah. Why take a trade without a setup? That is reckless. I agree. Sometimes we do it. You know, sometimes there's tradertainment. I make it very clear, like this is a total gamble. This is a total risk. I'm willing to risk X amount of dollars. Go back and watch past streams where I'm like, I'm willing to risk $3,000 on this trade, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Right? So, excuse me. Wow. Sorry. I rarely ever cough on stream. We have 2 Fed members speaking today. We have John Williams at 8:45, who's going to be speaking any moment now, and we have Christopher Waller at 11. They're both voting members of the Fed. FOMC rate decision is going to be on September 18th, so they're both going to be influential to that decision there. Can I give you $5K for poker? Whatever happens. Why would you want to? Why don't you do it with your own money? Well, why wouldn't you want to play with your own money? Print itself is gambling, the move after is trading. I agree, but also it's like difficult to read this book. It's very difficult to read this book. Like it looked like it would have been a good short. I mean, this is not really, but could have been a good short here, here, here. Looks like it was topping a little bit. 50-point rate cut on the horizon. It's more favored to be a 25 basis point rate cut, but I want to see a pause. I really want to see a pause, My first profitable week, 2,300, not including when I was growing my account. Nice, crazy. Yee! Why pause? Because I think I want to see a pause because it's going to give the most volatility. Because it's the least expected situation. Because the market is pricing in what's the most probabilistic odds. And it is either a 25 or 50 basis point cut. So if the market has been pricing that in and we get a pause, we'll get the most extraordinary volatility from that because the market hasn't priced it in and it needs to reprice that situation. I know a pause is not going to happen. I understand. But if you're asking me what I'd like, then yeah. Hey, Nick for a tick. Way to go. That was easy. Jeez. Make it look so easy, dude. How many days of trading? 3? Yeah, see, a pause would be wild, but I love it. Yeah, same. But I don't expect it. It's just, if you're asking me, what do you want to see during this FOMC? I want to see a pause. Is it going to happen? No, not a shot. It would be the most crazy thing ever if that was actually happened, I don't think it actually could happen, to be honest. All right, folks, let's go ahead and hit that lucky like button. Just looking over if there's any other news coming out here. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, just, in a minute here, we should start to hear from, here he is. Listening, hold on. What is he? He says that inflation is going to cool to 2.25% this year. Are they nuts? Dude, what are they talking? Okay. Yeah, there you go. The market is going to go wild on that. I don't know what this person's on drugs. Job market is a better balance, but not the main source of inflation. We're going to hit 2% by the end of 2025. Yeah, okay. Sure, buddy. Dude, that's insane. What in the world is he talking? I guess he had his script that was written I don't know, probably at the beginning of the year. Oh, make sure you say this in September. Absolutely insane. It's ridiculous. Oh, 3. Wait, hold on. 3 and okay, that makes more sense. But it's still wrong. 3 3/4. I heard 2 3/4. Yeah. I'm still listening. Fed is ready to start the process of rate cuts. Oh, yeah. It's dude, it's just so funny because it's ignoring reality completely. And it's just it's somebody wrote this script a year ago because it's just so out of touch with the reality of what's actually happening. It's so ridiculous. That's actually insane. Longer run employment is expected to set. Dude. Stance of monetary policy can be moved to more neutral setting over time, depending on the evolution of the data, the outlook, and the risks to achieving our objectives. No kidding. Yeah, sure, man. Whatever you say. Looks like I picked the wrong day to quit sniffing. Yeah, Fed Williams. It was just a prepared remarks, I guess, because I just got a whole swath of it. So markets are rallying on that, though, because, saying everything the algorithms want to hear for a long. It's just crazy. Anybody catch that long off of, we had that level, 851. It was a nice retracement, but looked like it was going short at that time. It's nuts. They want to crash the housing market now? Maybe. Up 8K in practice? Hey, better than not trading is good. Practice is good. That's why they call it practice. Long 851. There you go. Nice. Do you find playing poker helps a disciplined mindset with trading? I do. Oh, Charles Chapman is in here. Gotta get a green name so I can see you. better. Bulls and ES might probe long at 54.90. Yeah. Nailed it. Nice one. Charles Chapman, you're goated. Get a green name, dude. I want to see you more. Cheaper housing market said yeah. Scalp some longs today, not holding anything too long, obviously. Thanks for, hey, nice work there, Sheps. Practice? Talk about practice. Man, we still haven't hit that 928 level. It's surprising me. Still seems unpredictable to trade. All right, let's get these likes up. Let's see if we can do a poll here. We got 2,000. Well, there we go. We can do a poll. If we want to do some giveaways today, 900 likes, 1,000 likes, 1,100 likes. We can do 3 giveaways, 3 Top Step Combines or months of Clubhouse, whatever you want. You pick. All right, will the NQ end the day above or below 19 or 18? 950. There we go. Above, below. No clue. Here we go. All right, there's our Friday poll. Passed another comment yesterday. They took away practice account. Yes, I opened another practice account, but I had built the last one up and it had journals, lines, and notes I wanted to keep. Oh, that's a shame. I didn't know that happened. I thought practice accounts were independent. There's your 928, by the way. Thing is popping and jumping. Alexa is what? What's going on with Alexa? What did I miss about Alexa? Right. Amazon's revamped Alexa due for release in October, primarily by some new AI models. Was there a video on it or something? Did I miss something? New launch overhaul of Alexa. Oh, sorry. I'm saying the A word. My bad. I forget. My bad. Sorry, my bad. I can't, I'm missing every trade right now. I'm glad I'm not trading funded accounts. What is your graph on the left? Bookmap. Looks like this. That is Bookmap. Did they say that there's a new version of it coming out? No, I'm not. Everybody's saying the A word in chat. Dude, this market is out of control now. It's going up to 20,000. Mooner Dust is working. Nice. I mean, 1,000-point rally would be insane. I didn't see that. Somebody's got to drop me a link for the EXA. Somebody drop me a link in chat or in Discord. Does volume profile play a big role in your strategy levels? Yes. You want to see where all the transactions take place. I guess if we fade back down to 28, I mean, it doesn't look like that was a blow off top or anything. Let's see if we fade back down to 28. Let's see if we can catch a long or anything. Oh, yeah. Come on, give me not. Wait, where did my stuff go? What the heck is going on? Where did my friggin' stuff go? There we go. Oh, yeah. Come on, give me longs. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head. Hate that. I need to listen to the song to get it out. That's the Fed these days. Market drops for a few days and they say some ridiculously unrealistic positive news to try to rally it back up and make people think they're doing their jobs. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty surprised that we are still carrying. I thought, we'd have what we usually get, which is like the kerfuffle and then back to balance. But doesn't look like we're getting that today. Rick roll yourself and that song will disappear. Yeah. Rick Astley, what a voice, huh? His voice is so funny. It does not match his face. Amazon is upgrading so-and-so by replacing its own AI. Yeah, I saw the headline, but I'm just curious if there's like videos about it. You've met Rick Astley? Was he like, hey, how's it going? Do mental long division gets rid of the earworms? Yeah. I mean, I'm not mad about the song that's stuck in my head. It's a remix of, I think it's LaBouche who sings that song. Want to Be My Lover? Isn't that LaBouche? Oh, goodness. Guy's the nicest person ever. I can imagine that. Yeah, so I was right on. Okay, cool. I don't know why. I must have heard that song yesterday in the casino or something. I don't know why they're playing that in the casino, but there you go. La Bouche, baby. That's so funny. Oh, it's paid now? They're going to make the A word paid? That's crazy. We're going to, you have to pay us if you want us to eavesdrop on all your conversations. You go, hey, so-and-so, should I order some milk? Yeah. By the way, I know your favorite everything. Oh, goodness. Dance clubs in the 90s? Oh, yeah. Good stuff. 928, come on. Do something around this level. I dare you. Amazon has everyone's private convos as training data. Yeah, it's crazy. It's nuts. All right, do we fail here? Getting a slight pull. There's so many green candles. It's tough for me to think that we're going to actually fail here at 928. Let's see. All right, we're in the longs. We're trying longs here. I want to put my stop right there. Trying some longs. Came back down to 928. Do we fail here? Some sellers coming in. Might have to cut this idea pretty early. Watching right around this level. Wow, there's some cappers in 25. I'm cutting that early. Taking that off early. I was trying to bounce at 928. Here's the chart. Whoop, there it is. I was trying that bounce at 928, but it looks like we have sellers on the tape now. Usually it'll stop loss 60 ticks. 60 ticks usually. We went over that time. Let's see what happens at like 894 leading into 900s. Let me get like deep and nitty gritty in this price action here. Watching. Still kind of thin too. Amazon's pulling back a little bit here. Rip's getting FOMO? I mean, I was taking a setup. There's no FOMO at all, my friend. 902. I think 894 could be a support level too. Let's see what happens tonight. Whoa, my goodness, I missed my order. I was trying to get that order right at that blow through of 920. Let's see if they hold this. That might have just been a sweep up to 928. That's annoying. I tried to get my order firing in a lot quicker than that. Super annoying. Move the stop. There we go. Over 928. Looking for over 928 now. Watching. Okay, adding. Watching. They don't want to take that liquidity at 930. Let's see. Are they snapping it? Go. There we go. So pump up. Holding 930s. Adding again. Watching for this to trade 45s now. Or not. I'm using 928. Like all of my trades are right around that 928 level. Covering. Didn't work. And right back up. I tried to get that push through the 920s. Now it's like, we're right at 928 and now it's like the worst consolidation ever. And this is where we're sitting right now. That was a quick little smokage there. Do I go for max value? Do we go for trying to smoke them? What do we think? Look at that little kerfuffleation. Just smoked that. Wait for the 50-minute. Yeah. I mean, I like the trade. I really like the trade on that push above. I thought we'd get 45s. I liked it. I personally liked it. I like layering into that thing too. I mean, the way that we rejected under 928 is just bad timing. Oh, well. Let's see if we can get popped back up here. we're showing a little weakness. Try it to the weak side here under 928. And wow, wait, dang it. I thought for some reason I'm sitting here thinking like that I have 4,500 to draw down. No, I have 3,000. All right, there we go. Max loss. I'm actually going to spin up. I'm going to spin up 5 more combines, to be honest. I feel like I got cheated. Now I got to buy these. Hold on. Give me a second. I feel like I got cheated there. Literally, this is the price action. Do we have that up on the screen? That's the price action to stop me out. Now we get to 940. Lovely, lovely stuff. I thought I had for some reason, I don't know why. Lack of sleep, whatever it is, I thought I had room down to, on those things. I thought I had room down to 4,500 for some reason. Nope, it's 3,000 every single time. All right, let me spin up some more combines here. Thankfully, no funded losses, but there we go. Let's see if we can get this popping here. Maybe we'll wait for the open, but I mean, dude, I thought I had that nailed and we just got faked out. If I would have held the trade on too, no, actually I wouldn't have made profit on that, but yeah. All right, and one more. Let's see how long it takes to actually activate these things now. I love how we picked the worst area to trade too. Missed every single easy trade. I thought we were gonna reject at 928. We did. We came back up and then it was like somebody beat the brakes off the thing. So, and that's trading. Ninja Trader is what I use. I always use Ninja Trader. All right, let's see how long it takes for these to get activated. Could you just not buy reset? I always forget that too. I could have just reset. Why did I just reset? Dang it. That's kind of stupid. I should have just reset. It's no sleep, dude. All I can say is no sleep last night. I'm on like 2.5 hours of sleep. There's your 45s. Dang it. That's so crazy. I was right on the move. Way too much juice on that one. Did you cancel those? No, I didn't. Because they still have that. You know why? Because they still have another $1,500 worth of drawdown or whatever it is. That's why I didn't reset them. That's why. Don't be selfish, Rips. 2 hours is more than enough to sleep. I'm like dying over here. All right, let's see if we got these. See if I got my new ones yet. Let's go. Let's go. Give me my new combines. That's why I didn't reset, though, because those actually have more room to draw down. Hey, there we go. Wait, nope. Just kidding. I got excited. I thought they were in my account already. Unable to think properly without a good night's sleep, I suggest trade small. I mean, it is what it is. Did you put the DLL on them? It's only on Top X, not on Ninja Trader. For some reason, like, dude, this is how little sleep I have. For some reason, I thought my drawdown was gonna be 4,500. That's why I continued trading them, and then I put on the trade, and it immediately took me out. I'm like, oh yeah, the daily drawdown is 3,000. Idiot, stupid. This is fantastic. Believe me. Give me my combine so I can trade. Come on, do the thing. Okay, there we go. All right, we got a 5-pack. Let's go. Do. All right, gotta add the commissions. Here we go. All right, gotta set up the copier now. Let's do this. This is annoying now. Let's see. That song needs to get out of my friggin' head. All right. There we go. Market doesn't want to wait for us right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And are we all set? We are good. That one. That one. That one. That one. All right. Here we go. Cool. All right, we're ready to party. See what we can do now. All right, we're back tickling that same little area that we tickled, that low area. How do I purchase 5 combines? Click the link that's pinned to the top of the chat. You have to purchase them one at a time. Do it very carefully. All right, let's see what's happening here. We're back to like this point of control area. Maybe we just wait for the open. I don't know. I'm so out of it right now. All right, back in the longs. How come when I enter, like we're immediately down like $300? What is actually happening with these entries? Is it really whipping that hard? I guess it is, yeah. The answer is yes. The market is whipping this fast and hard. See if we can hold this push. Can we hold this push above 30? Not looking great. Wow, this market's fun. This market is insane. Show me over 30. We get lucky. Can we get lucky? Over 30, maybe, potentially. Over 30, clear out. Anyone? Go for it. Over 30, don't stop. Can you push over 30 one time? Nope. Yes, maybe. It's holding 30s. Nobody wants to buy 30s. Why is that? Oh, look at that. Lovely. Cool. Neat. Complete waste of time. How can you be wrong so many Tims? I don't know. I don't know a lot of Tims. Guy Cedrina. Oh, look, over 30s. How many Tims do you know, Guy Cedrina? I gotta see this. Oh, we had a little pullback to the 20s there. I don't know, where did Tim go? There's your launch through. I should have been right more Tims. You only know one Tim, great guy. Yeah, I know that Tim you're talking about. He is a fantastic person. Worried we should hit that high? Yeah, I know. This price action sucks. The moment we started trading, this just turned into a ball of garbage. There's your 45s again. Without the big pullback. Head up, ribs. Your value is well worth the free admission. I'm a better trader because of ribs. Dude, watch out for Guy Cedrina, though. He said, can't be wrong so many Tims. Gotta be right more Tims than not. 60% probability of 50 basis point cut. Yeah. Yeah, trading community is a fun place. Hi, maybe someone knows when past combine but doesn't pay activating fee for XFAs or still need pay combine fee. Nope. But you have 30 days until they cancel it. Tim, to pop open a Celsius for them. Well, they're hidden. Now they can't say any more stupid crap. That's the downfall, I guess. How many Tims you work out in a week? Not enough, apparently. What's going to happen at 28 again? This is like the price action is just married to 28 here. What's going to happen at 28? Let's see. Guys, it's easy to exit if you're not into rip. So many choices out there. Don't even try to ruin his move for the rest of us. He's one of the positive people in the industry. Not for long. I mean, it's exhausting. I'm not going to lie. It's exhausting. I mean, there's definitely better things I could be doing with my time. If it gets to that point, I'm probably just going to go. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm probably just going to be like, whatever. You guys have it. I couldn't care less. It'll get to that point. Keep going. Keep going. It'll get to that point, believe me. Keep pushing. 9:30. Let's see. Go. Ready, go. Above 930s again. Let's see if we can be wrong so many Tims again. Show me potato salad over 40s. A lot of liquidity at 47. I know you want it. Over 40 would be lovely. I was wrong so many Tims again. Sweet. Nice little rejection there. I mean, the dude's name wasn't Tim. It was Guy Cedrina. All right, 30s again. Let's do it. Yeah. Go for broke. Ready, go. Break the 40s. Run it up. Let's see if we can get up to these 40s. This market's so fun, I got to say that. This market is just so much fun this morning. There we go, stopped out. Whee! We did it again, yay. Actually funny. Why do we decide to trade this range, by the way? Look at this. This is where we decided to have all of our fun. Woo! Oh, so much fun. Having a great time. Up 3K and back even. I wish I was up 3K at one point. We were up like a couple thousand, I think. Whatever. I say we run it back. Let's run it back. Run it back. Run it back. Mm-hmm. Let's run it back here. Running it back. Because why not? What else do we have to do? Besides sleep, but let's run it back. Mm-hmm. All right, round, what is this, 3? Round 4? Mm-hmm. This is the best range ever, by the way. This is actually hilarious. Mm-hmm. Is it Billy Squire? I thought it was LaBouche. I'm humming. I don't know who it is. I guess we could wait for this 5-pack for the open. I don't know. I don't really give a flying to be honest. LaBouche. Yeah, exactly. Stroke Me? I don't know if that's the name of the song. Is that what it's called? Billy Squire, is it? Mm-hmm. Fed Waller 11, yeah. That is the next turn of events today. Red Hot Chili Peppers? Maybe. That's probably who it is. Yeah, Wanna Be My Lover. That's the song. You nailed it. Well, we had a beautiful move, and then we got blessed with this wonderful tight range where we're just getting wrenched. Is there a time limit on XFAs? Like if you don't take a trade for 30 days? 30 days, yes. That is the limit. You're correct. All right, see if we can run it back. Hey, is it hard for you to trade test accounts? It's my first time. I find myself doing stuff I would never do. I don't get it. What do you mean test accounts? Sorry, I don't understand. All right, let's get these all set, ready to go. I think we'll wait for the open. Let's see if we can trade the open. Let's try that. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can make sure these are right here. Yep, looks good. Okay, cool. That's correct. Correct. Cool. Great. All right, we're snaking around here. I guess we'll wait for the open. Probably going to get like a nice, super clean move now to the top side and a nice, beautiful breakout here. Oh, no. Quick rejection. 55 down to 45. Should I buy another reset? Do whatever you want. It's all the same. You've actually been right, but every time you stop. Yeah, but I'm like hammering in like 15 lots. I mean, it's on me. I'm doing stupid crap. Gold just reversed, gave up all its gains after the breakup. Nice. Let's see what the poll says here. Poll says 57% above. Did not get my payout yet. Still waiting. It might be because I requested a payout from my live and that takes longer and they're waiting to group it all together. So I don't know. Didn't get my payout yet though. It'll be posted on the Discord whenever it is. I requested, I think, on Monday. And it's still not showing up. And I haven't gotten anything in my bank account yet. So it is what it is. NQ will open, drop to 840, then end the day above 150. Save this message and thank me. I'm already thanking you. Thank you. Post all your payouts on Discord. They're on the Top Step Discord, Pete. Top Step Discord has a payouts channel and posts everybody's payouts that takes payouts. So that's where you'll find them if you want a pocket watch. Look at this fun range. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Your payout hit your bank the same, but requested end of day Tuesday. Dude, when did I request? I swear I requested mine. Like, what the heck? Let's see. On the 4th. Oh, Wednesday. Okay, yeah, so you got yours in the morning, so I'll probably get mine on Monday then. There you go. Balls to the walls test account, yeah. Maybe. Long here, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I'm sure I'd probably try to wait like 2 minutes, 5 minutes after the open, see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. If your payout is approved, but then you lose the account, you still get paid, right? You have to wait until they remove the money from your account. I haven't traded those accounts today. They've already removed the money from those accounts. So if I wanted to trade them, I could. And I have a daily loss limit, so I can't blow them. So, but if they were low enough that I could blow them, they've already taken the money out, so I get the payout. There's your answer. I don't really get my payout within a day. Everyone requested before Thursday and Friday. End of the week, I'll get it Monday. Yeah, I mean, mine last time was super instant. I think it's because I requested it from my live account as well, that they're grouping it together. Because they said in the email, the live account takes longer. Because they have to request it from the brokerage, and the brokerage has to send it, and then they have to send it to me. Goes to 2 people. Goes through 2 people. You have to, yeah, whatever. You get it. New high into open expected? Maybe. I mean, I like the longs down there, but yeah, got smoked. What are you going to do? This all week been strained by market price action, difficult to trade. I mean, yeah, there you go. There's your easy long. Just exploding out the top here. Woo-wee! Really popping those stops. Nice and spicy. That was fun. Got whipped out right before it happened. Good times. Shorted the range, make sure it would pump. Yeah, makes sense. It would pump. Yeah. See what happens at these 70s. Meta's pushing too. Williams is speaking again still. Can we get like any kind of deep retracement here? Jobs data is consistent with a cooling economy. That's good. That's what the Fed wants to cut rates, is a cooling economy. There's your 70s, still kind of holding. We're going to solidly open? Who knows? Who knows? Added a bit more and go with the family now. First birthday. Nice, Kofifi. Very nice. Nailed that breakout for 2,600. Nice, Tori. Way to go. If it goes back in the range below, it should break the bottom of the trade, would be go long and retest the breakout zone. Yeah, I tried that. 928 just got chopped to bits. Just the way that it goes, dude. Nailed that breakout for 1,200. Nice Ferrari film. Good job. Still long NQ from 820. Nice. Good job, Kelvin. Let's see what happens at 928. This is, again, that area that I want to trade. Whatever. I'll wait until the open. Fine. Hate this market right now. I really do. I use the 30-second chart, not the tick. I like the 30-second chart for showing my execution. I don't actually trade on a 30-second chart. I'm just using it to illustrate where my entries are. Open's going to be whippy. I mean, I'm going to look to equities for clues, but we also have the roll. I mean, we got to look for mispricing, right? So my buyers get dusted. They don't price action rolls. Maybe. I mean, sometimes I don't price action rolls either. So. Maybe it's Celsius time. I'm on number 2. It's not doing a dang thing for me, unfortunately. How's the game yesterday? By the sounds of it, good. You must have missed the beginning of the stream. Everything's fantastic today. I'm having a great time. Everything's great. Hey, Rips, just wanted to remind you. Good old 928's not taking the auction here. What did you think of the Chiefs yesterday? How about that that almost touchdown in the end zone? Wasn't that nuts? Crazy, right? Pretty crazy. I only play cash. We're at 45s right now. Why you wait for a retest of the breakout zone first? Yeah, we're waiting. We're trying to be patient. 2.5 minutes here till the open. Who wins the Super Bowl this year, Rips? I'm going to go with the red team. Or maybe the blue team. Go team, go. Yeah, green team. Maybe the green team, too. 9-ish for sure. Maybe if they get Montana back. Montana, Ronnie Lott, Jerry Rice. Woo-wee. Maybe Dwight Clark. Take the orange team. Yeah, could do that too. All right, back in 928. Open's almost about to happen. Let's see what we can do on this open here, shall we? Let's see what happens. Who cares about football? The New York Open on MP Day? Yeah. Ugh. All of this just to go to 928. I guess we could have shorted it back down to 928, right? Could have done that. Back to 928, bouncing right back at it. Yeehaw, fun stuff. Come on, just open up already. 30 seconds. Just friggin' do it already. Jesus. Hurry up. Come on, go. Ring the fucking bell. Hurry up. 20 seconds. Just go already, please. Go, please. This is like taking forever. Like 30 seconds feels like a friggin' hour. All right, here we go. Markets are open. Let's see what happens. Let's press some buttons. Yeehaw. This is the open? You're kidding, right? This is the open. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now they're turning on. They weren't turning on. What is going on right now? What is actually happening here? What the heck is happening? What in the world is happening right now? Okay. Exhausting. See what happens here. I mean, that's the weirdest, like, lowest volume. Whatever. Good job, market makers. You did it. Right back down. Look at this crap. Jesus. So easy to... Dude, this 928, like, can we just get out of this 928 area, please? Can we just get out of here? Like, this is so dumb. Yeah, this is the stupidest open ever. It's nap time in poker. Now you're speaking my language. Equities aren't doing anything. Are they going to hold 928s or are we going to flush below temporarily and then bounce right back up? Good times. There we go. Little tiny flush back down. Anybody catch the short from the top? Sure, everybody caught it, right? 7s, 72, whatever it is. Let's see. Do we reject 28s now? Or is it another fake out? Sure. Let's get blasted. Well, there we go again. Nailed it. Back to 928. Whee! Good times. Fun stuff. Good times. Did we actually go right tonight? Yeah, we hit 928 on the ticket and right back down. So sick. So much fun. All right. I feel like we tried it enough times, right? Watch this. Just amazing sweep of the lows now. Just straight back down. Rips needs a break from streaming. You have no idea. Oh my God. I think I was going to stay out for an hour. Yeah, probably a good idea. 4-day weekend is the weekend. Yeah, weekend's going to blow right by. It's going to be so short. It's too bad. I mean, if we look at our magic lines, we shorted right into the magic line and pop right back up. So, it's a good old choppy market. Is this actually the extension? Is this actually where we can make money? Is this the one? Is this the one that we can actually make money? Oh, look, we're back at 928. Wow, amazing. 928 again. Yeehaw. So much fun. Insane. I wish there was like a button we could press that says pay me every single time it touches 928. Wouldn't that be sick? Every single touch on 928 we get paid. Bing, 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 bing. Good Lord. Yeah, I know you could do a multi-leg option strategy. I'm just kind of being facetious. Just kind of making a joke. Kind of making a funny over here. Isn't NFP day supposed to be a busy day for the market? This is unusual. I agree. I agree with you. This is crazy. This is so nuts. I like want to walk away, but I'm like, I want to see this through. Like, I want to see what happens. Oh, was this the flush we were looking for? Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there's the one you wanted, huh? Oh, we had to drive it up for a little bit more before we took it down. Oh, wow. Look at that. Trading's easy. You see, trading is super simple. All right, we're right at 851 now. That's the next level that we have. See if we actually bounce here or not, or if we will take this lower. Watching. Okay, I'm gonna try a short here. Watch this. Oh, he's short. Well, here we go. Reverse it. Good Lord. Oh, this is funny. Comedy. Actual comedy. They really don't want to let this market fall. Like, why are there so many people bidding the crap out of this thing down here? That's actually insane. Like, free fall until I'm short and then pop right back up. Why are so many people buying this right here? Nvidia's straight down. Stop buying it. Just let it fall like a little bit. Like, stop buying it. Just let it fall. Let it go. Let it blow through the 800s. This is so annoying. We get into consolidation here. Like, can you just fail through 800s and then we can go home? Look at how much consolidation we have down here. Yeah, Nvidia's bouncing now. Lovely. Just fail through 800. There you go. There you go. Just bleed a little bit more. They really don't want to let this thing fall. I don't know why they're bidding the pants off this thing so hard. A flush through 800s is such a huge confirmation here. If we flow through 800s, this thing is a monster if we flow through 800s. Wow, look at all that liquidity. All right. Cool. It's good for 15 grand. I guess that was worth blowing combines, right? Whatever. Decent. Look, we blew combines. We're the worst. Decent? Is that okay? That all right? What does that put us at then? Oh, that puts us at... Hey! 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 Wait a minute. That buys me 100 combines. Hey! There we go. Now we go back up. Let's see what happens. You want to keep trading? Should we keep trading? You folks tell me. Do you want to keep trading? Do we want to keep trading this? What do we think? Look at all the yeses. Let's do a poll. Do we keep trading funded accounts? Yes. No. Cool. Let's see. Vote. Let's see. This will gauge how many true. Vote with honesty. Let's see. Let's go ahead and see. Vote with honesty, please. Do we have check marks? I don't know. Lock the real and trade more combines. Well, the question is, do we trade our funded accounts? Do we trade our funded accounts? I'm going to cut off the poll in 30 seconds, so please vote with honesty. Do we keep trading funded accounts? Yes or no? Give you about 20 more seconds here. Question is, do we keep trading funded accounts? I'm going to write something down here too. Okay, I wrote down something here. I'm going to give it 30 more seconds, and then I'm going to show you. There you go. Not typing anything more. I wrote down my prediction. So we have, I'll give you 30 more seconds. Vote with honesty here. Okay. Vote with honesty. Give me, folks, final couple minutes here. Or sorry, final couple of seconds here. All right, 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. And I wrote down a prediction here. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ending the poll. And here it is. If the answer is yes, I'll stop streaming. If the answer is no, I'll keep streaming. I'll give away 25 free combines to chat. Dang it. 54% said yes. All right. Well, I'm going to continue streaming in Discord. I'm going to give away some combines in Discord. Thanks, everybody. Take care. I hope you have a great Friday, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Take care, everybody. I'll see you then.